Welcome to our first cooking video. This is my wife and I, and this is Nasi Goreng, Indonesian national dish. And this is a kind of an experimental video. We didn't really know what we were doing in terms of coordinating between the two of us. And I have a new camera, which I'm still figuring out how to use. And I'm using new software to edit all this. So this is gonna be a little rough. The cooking videos are gonna come once a week. We're gonna film them on Sunday, and then it usually takes me a week to get to them, and then upload them on Sunday. And well, so stay tuned if you want to see these, and I'm hoping that they will get a little better as we go along. But this is our first attempt. Thanks for viewing, and I hope you find this amusing. I found it amusing making it. So we've got chicken and salt, chilies, tomatoes, onions, and something here. I'm not sure exactly what that is.
Asam
And
asam garam.
what is asam? So this and this is what my wife was talking about when she said asam, and I was asam. Asam is sour. Asam, what she's talking about, is tamarind. So she's using tamarind there, and it looks black and sticky because that's one of the ways you can buy it. You can buy it kind of in this black sticky mass, and so this is commonly used in Indonesian cooking. This tamarind is sweet tamarind, but you can also get the other one, the sour one. So that answers the asam question.
Pertama bikin ayam dia.
Yes.
Ayam.
Okay, so first gonna cook the chicken.
Taruh sini.
Okay, and put it in there. And okay, put the chicken in there. Pakai apa di dalam? Tidak ada air atau?
Ada sedikit. Nanti kan ayamnya kan keluar air nanti dia.
Oh, okay. So
Nanti sendiri keluar air.
there's nothing in there. She said the water will come out of the chicken, so no need to put anything in there. Oil, or water, and so that's gonna cook berapa lama itu masak?
Ini
Ya.
ya yang ini paling ya 10 menit.
10 minutes.
15 menit, dah tentu kan.
Okay, so this is cooking this for 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes.
Ini memasak dah jam ini baru masak pakai minyak panas.
Okay, so
Ya sudah ini ya.
mungkin yes. Okay, so
Sekarang
done. The chicken is done. 15 minutes, and now we're gonna put it in the frying pan. It's kind of like a wok, not quite as big as a wok. And it's putting in some oil that's probably not good for us.
udah panas Pak.
Okay, so now it's hot. And put in the chicken into the frying pan.
pedas kayak enak. Kalau pedas pun enak.
Yes. So she said if it's spicy, it's better. So if you've been in Indonesia for a long time, or you probably know there are different tastes in different cities and different islands, and so over in Java, for example, when my daughter was living in Yogyakarta getting her nursing degree, things were too sweet for her there, or she didn't like it. Here, especially in Singapore, spicy is best.
Bilang bermacam-macam nasi goreng ada.
Apa?
Macam-macam nasi gorengnya ada. Ada nasi goreng tek-tek, ada macam-macam.
So she said there's different types of nasi goreng. Any nasi goreng?
Bali.
Nasi goreng Bali. Okay, so that's it. Is it? Are we done?
Jadi deh.
Huh?
Iya.
And I put, she's, okay, she's cutting the tomato without telling me again.
Banyakan apa pohon bunganya.
Harus kasih tahu apa Anda mau bikin itu. And so, thanks for viewing, and stay safe, be kind to someone today, and if you found this amusing or helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing, and we'll see you with another cooking video. See you with another cooking video next week.